Okay then, now we have a free tier account, and if you remember in the previous video I said it's free but up to certain limits. So you might have a question, what is free and what is not free? We'll talk about the costs in the billing section in later chapters, but now let's briefly discuss what offers are available for free in Amazon Web Services. So for that, let's go and open a new window. And then let's type awsamazon.com and then /free. So in here you can read AWS free tier. All right. So basically there are 3 types of free offers available in AWS, which are always free. And the second one, 12 months free. And the third one, trials. All right. So the first one, always free, offers free services which do not expire, and they are available to all AWS customers. All right. So the second one, 12 months free. The second option in here, so services start from the date you created an account with AWS. All right. And the third one is trials. In this one, these are short-term free services. All right. I mean, services which are offered short term. All right. So now let's scroll down and we can see those services. So for instance, from here you can see compute, free tier, Amazon EC2, right? So this is a virtual server. We will cover this Amazon EC2 and other services in detail. For now, just understand this is a virtual server, and you can read from here that it's free for free tier. AWS EC2 can be used for 750 hours per month for 12 months. All right. So that means every month you can use a virtual server of AWS for 750 hours for free. All right. So, but if it exceeds 750 hours, for instance, if you run free tier Amazon EC2 for 900 hours, then 150 hours you have to pay. All right, but 750 hours will be free. Then the second one, for instance, this one, free tier, you can read in here, and 12 months free. So that means this one, Amazon S3 service, this is a storage service. All right, and this gives you 5 gigabytes of standard storage. And here you can read 20,000 get requests and 20,000 get requests and 2,000 put requests. So 20,000 get requests, that means you can ask for the data, you can get the data. And 2,000 put requests, that means you can upload 2,000 different data. All right. So, and you can see other services. So for instance, this one is always free, and this is Amazon DynamoDB. This is a database. You can read in here. So this database, it's NoSQL database, and it gives you 25 gigabytes of storage. And we will talk about these NoSQL databases and other types of databases in later videos. All right. So, and this one is, for instance, free trial. All right. So Amazon Light Sale, and it can be run for 750 hours, and it's 1 month free trial. All right. So and you can just go to the next pages and you can take a look at those pages for services which are offered for free, or you can also filter out in here and then see only those categories which you are interested in. All right. So, and don't worry about these services if you don't understand them, because we will talk about them later on. I showed these free offers just to give you an idea about free offers in Amazon Web Services, and also about their limitations. All right. So that's it for this video, and I will see you in the next one.